कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले। घुल रहे हैं रंग सारे, घुल रही हैं खुशबुएं। कैसी है ये रुत भी जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले। घुल रहे हैं रंग सारे, घुल रही हैं खुशबुएं। चांदनी झरने घटाए, गीत बारिश तितलियां, हम पे हो गए हैं सब मेहरबान। कैसी है ये रुत के जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले। देखो नदी के किनारे पंछी पुकारे किसी पंछी को। देखो ये जो नदी है मिलने चली है सागर ही को। है प्यार का ही सारा ये कारवां। कैसी है ये रुत थी जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले। घुल रहे हैं रंग सारे, घुल रही हैं खुशबुएं। चांदनी झरने घटाए, कीट बारिश तितलियां, हम पे हो गए हैं सब मेहरबान। कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले। Hey guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the very popular and very melodious song Kaisi Hai Ye Rut from the movie Dil Chahta Hai. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now tune your ukulele in standard tune and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 6 chords and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F, chord G, chord D and chord F minor. So in case you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson. Else, let's learn how to play these chords. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and chord D will sound like this. To play chord F minor, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 4th string, your middle finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your little finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord F minor will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern, and in this song we are using a common strumming pattern that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So when you play this pattern on a particular chord, it will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about each section of this song step by step. So we will be starting this song with a simple intro, and in intro we have a melody followed by chord C. So to play this melody you don't have to do much. You will simply tap string 3, 2, 1, 2 in open position like this. And then you need to tap string 2 on 3rd fret like this. Okay, so when you play it together it will sound like this. Okay, now to tap the strings you can use your thumb. So just place your thumb over string 3 like this. Place your index finger just over string 2 and your middle finger just over string 1. Okay, and then you can pluck the strings like this. Okay, it will be very convenient for you. Now once you're done with intro part, then you will move to chorus, and to play chorus we need chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. Okay, so this will be part 1, and in part 1 we'll be playing our pattern one time per chord. Okay, so it will sound like this. कैसी है ये रुत के जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले घुल रहे हैं रंग सारे घुल रही हैं खुशबुएं. Okay, so it's very easy, and once you're done with that you can move to next part of chorus. That would be part 2, and in part 2 we'll be playing chord F and chord F minor, and then we'll go to chord C. Now in this part we'll play chord F 4 times, chord F minor 2 times and chord C 2 times. Alright, so it will sound like this. चांदनी झरने घटाएं कीत बारिश तितलियां हम पे हो गए हैं समेरवां. Now after that you can again play part 1, but this time we will not be using chord G, we will be using chord F minor. So let me quickly show you how you can play that. कैसी है ये रुत की जिसमें फूल बनके दिल खिले. Okay, so you have to end this on chord C, and you can play pattern 4 times on chord C to end it. So this completes the chorus part. After chorus we'll move to verse part, and to play verse part we need chord C, chord G, chord F, chord D and chord F minor. Okay, so let me quickly explain you how you can play that. So you have to start with chord C like this. So you'll play the pattern 2 times on this chord. Okay, then you go to chord G. Now this is a tricky part. Now in case you can't play it, then you can simply keep on playing chord C. That will be fine as well. So you have to start with chord C. Okay, you are done with this pattern 2 times here. Now you go to chord G. Okay, this is a very quick part. You have to go to chord G. You play only a single downstroke, and then you again go to chord C like this, and you have to play the pattern 2 times on chord C again. So let me play this for you and show you how it will sound. देखो नदी के किनारे. Okay, so in case you don't want to do chord G, then you can simply keep on playing chord C like this. देखो नदी के किनारे. Okay, so this requires you to play this pattern 4 times on chord C. So it's up to you. You want to play chord C only, or you want to use it with chord G. Now after that you can move to chord F, and you have to play this pattern 1 time there. Then you go to chord G and you play this pattern 1 time, and then you go back to chord C and you play this pattern 2 times. So let me play this part all together and show you how it will sound. देखो नदी के किनारे पंछी पुकारे किसी पंछी को, देखो ये जो नदी है मिलने चली है सागर ही को. Alright, now after that you need to simply play chord F minor. है प्यार का ही सारा ये कारवां. So on chord F minor and chord C, you will be playing this pattern 2 times. Now after that you can play previous parts again. So you can play chorus part and then you can again play the verse part. So that's how you can play the entire song. So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And if you have a song request or you have a query in mind, then do reach out to me on Instagram and I will try to get in touch with you as soon as possible. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.